Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to give your Jeep some more protection when you're out on the trails. The factory side steps on your JK are great for the highway, but if you want some better performance on the trail, then you're going to want to check out these Smittybilt SRC Rocker Guards in the light textured black, fitting your 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler. These Smittybilt Rocker Guards feature a heavy-duty 2-inch steel tubing with a light textured black finish. It includes a perforated plate to allow more protection while you're out on the trails and a nice step for getting in and out of your Jeep. They easily install with no hardware, you simply use the body mount bolts, so let's get them onto our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. In order to get the side steps off, we have to remove the 6 bolts from the outside, and then there's 3 more underneath. Let's get started with the front. Get started with this front one here. Put a 10mm box wrench on the back, and your 10mm socket on the outside to get these pulled off. You won't need these for the install, but if you plan on changing your side steps up in the future, it might not be a bad idea to keep them. Ours are pretty rotted, so I think we'll just toss them. Towards the front of the Jeep, under each post, there's another 13mm bolt that goes into the body. Go ahead and pull that out. Next one is going to be in the middle here. The last one's right in front of the rear tire. In order to get your SRC Rocker Guards on, you have to remove these 2 outer body bolts on the front and the very back body mount. Use a 16mm socket. Now you can grab your new side step and go ahead and put it on. The longer end is going to go towards the rear, and to get it on, simply slide it over the body mount bolt and then up over the actual bolts there and get the nuts started. Go ahead and repeat the same process on the other side, and your installation is complete. That concludes the installation of the Smittybilt SRC Rocker Guards. They look really great on our Jeep, plus it's going to help us out on the trail. You only need a 10mm socket, 10mm box wrench, and a 16mm socket to get these installed onto your JK. Now you can find these side steps as well as many other great parts for your Jeep right here at cjponyparts.com.